Chapter test. Forces that shape the earth. Multiple choice. Choose the answer that best completes each statement. Number 1. Stress that pushes a mass of rock in two opposite directions is called A. Shearing, B. Tension, C. Compression, D. Deformation. Number 2. A force that acts on rock to change its shape or volume is called A. An aftershock, B. Friction, C. Liquefaction, D. Stress. Number 3. Which type of stress force produces reverse faults? A. Shearing, B. Tension, C. Compression, D. Deformation. Number 4. The blank is the point beneath Earth's surface where rock breaks under stress and triggers an earthquake. A. Syncline, B. Footwall, C. Epicenter, D. Focus. Number 5. S waves are also known as A. Primary waves, B. Secondary waves, C. Surface waves, D. Focus waves. Number 6. In what direction do seismic waves carry the energy of an earthquake? A. Away from the focus, B. Toward the focus, C. From the surface to the interior, D. Through the mantle only. Number 7. Blank can travel through both liquid and solids. A. P waves, B. S waves, C. Focus waves, D. Surface waves. Number 8. To tell how far an earthquake's epicenter is from a seismograph, scientists measure the difference between the A. Arrival times of the P waves and S waves, B. Speeds of the P waves and S waves, C. Strengths of the P waves and S waves, or D. Sizes of the P waves and S waves. Number 9. Before lava reaches the surface, the molten material is called A. Rock, B. Magma, C. Volcanic ash, D. Liquid fire. Number 10. A blank is a long tube in the ground that connects the magma chamber to the Earth's surface. A. Vent, B. Side vent, C. Pipe, D. Crater. Number 11. If a volcano's magma is high in silica, the volcano will probably A. Erupt quietly, B. Remain dormant, C. Erupt explosively, or D. Produce dark-colored lava. Number 12. Tall, cone-shaped mountains in which layers of lava alternate with layers of ash are called A. Shield volcanoes, B. Cinder cone volcanoes, C. Composite volcanoes, or D. Lava plateaus. 13. When many layers of thin, runny lava build up a high level area, the result is A. Lava plateau, B. Shield volcano, C. Cinder cone volcano, or D. Composite volcano. 14. When magma hardens in a volcano's pipe, the result will eventually be a landform called A. Batholith, B. Dike, C. Volcanic neck, or D. Sill. 15. When groundwater heated by magma rises to the surface and collects in a natural pool, it is called a hot spring, B, geyser, C, vent, D, pyroclastic flow. Number 16. In the volcanic areas, groundwater heated by magma is a source of A, lava flows, B, silica, C, geothermal energy, or D, pyroclastic flows. Fill in the blank. Complete each statement with the correct vocabulary term. Tension, reverse fault, strike slip, seismic waves, epicenter, compression, ring of fire, crater. 17. The stress force that pulls on the crust where two plates are moving apart is called blank. 18. A fault that is formed when compression causes the hanging wall to move over the footwall is called a blank. 19. Shearing creates blank faults like the San Andreas Fault in California. 20. Vibrations that move through the ground carrying the energy released during an earthquake are called blank. 21. On a map, geologists draw circles around seismograph stations in order to determine the location of an earthquake's blank. 22. The type of stress that pulls on the crust, stretching rock so that it becomes thinner in the middle, is called blank. 23. A major volcanic belt known as the blank circles the Pacific Ocean. 24. The bowl-shaped area around a volcano's central vent is called a blank. Interpret diagrams. Use the diagrams to answer each question. 25. Name the type of volcano illustrated in diagram A and describe how it forms. 26. Name the type of volcano illustrated in diagram B and describe how it forms. 27. Name the type of volcano illustrated in diagram C and describe how it forms. Essay. Choose one essay and answer using the space provided. Circle the question you are answering. 28. Explain how geologists locate an earthquake's epicenter. 29. Describe the 3 stages of a volcano. 30. Identify where Earth's major volcanic regions are located and explain why they are found there.